Hi, I'm Jason. I'm shooting on behalf of expertvillage.com today. We're making a necklace out of recyclable materials. We've just made our mark where we're going to tie the knot in the wire for the first bead so that it won't move anywhere. This isn't an exact science. What we'll do is I'm going to put my thumb on the farthest from the outside edge so that that's where I make my bend. My other thumb is going to be on the other mark, and I will twist it around and make the two meet. This meets the second mark. And this seems trivial, but you've measured out for it, so you know you want your knot in between those places. If it goes up or down from there, it's going to be off center. Make sure your knot touches on those marks. Bring the end through, and as you're tightening it, you can pull it right into your marks. Your marks will fade. That's your center. This is both sides of the other mark. Just keep pulling and bringing the knot into there you go, into where the other's needed, in between both knots. Now the other knot is right in here, or the other line is right here. The farthest out mark's there, so we hit our mark. Now my hand's erased center pretty much. The center mark is still right here. So before I lose center, I'm going to hurry and remark that once again. And you need to make sure that you keep on marking it. Otherwise, you'll lose center. And center, when you're making a necklace stable, is very important. We will put the bead on and make the second knot, or even determine if there needs to be a second knot next.